Welcome to the National Air Duct Cleaners Association's video library. We've prepared this series of brief videos to inform and to educate. The topic of this video is energy savings in your home's heating and cooling system.
Let's face it, we're all looking for ways to save money. One way to save money is to reduce energy consumption. For example, did you know that in a typical home, 45% of the energy costs go toward heating and cooling? Even more alarming, the U.S. Department of Energy estimates that 25 to 40% of the energy used for heating or cooling a typical home is wasted. Whether your heating and cooling system uses natural gas, fuel oil, or electricity, it's a good idea to make it as efficient as possible. Using less energy saves money and is better for the environment. In this video, we'll discuss some ways to save money by making your heating and cooling system more energy efficient. One easy way to improve energy efficiency is to install a programmable thermostat. These thermostats automatically turn down your system during periods when you're typically away from home. Also, make sure to change your air filter regularly. A clogged filter will restrict airflow and cause your system to work harder, using more energy. Most experts recommend replacing your filter every 2 months. Sealing your ducts will also save you money in the long run. You could be losing nearly all your heating or cooling before it reaches your vents. I'd like to talk about a service that may be new to you: cleaning your heating and cooling system. This is more than just duct cleaning. It involves cleaning all the components that the airstream touches in your heating and air conditioning system. NADCA recommends cleaning the furnace, cooling coils, blower motor, and the ductwork. Every part of the system is checked and cleaned, not just the ducts. So how does cleaning your heating and cooling system save you money? Well, a dirty cooling coil reduces efficiency. To cool your home, air is blown across cold metal coils. When the coils get clogged with dirt, airflow is restricted and the air can no longer contact the metal. This blocks airflow and limits the coil's ability to properly cool the air. Even in the winter months, these dirty coils continue to reduce airflow through your furnace. This means the system loses efficiency all year long. Proper cleaning of an entire heating and cooling system takes technical skill and attention to detail. That's why it's important to rely on someone who is specifically trained and experienced in this type of cleaning. NADCA members specialize in optimizing the efficiency and life of your system. Remember, clean systems use less energy, and clean systems last longer, saving you money now and in the years to come. So there you go. We hope you found these tips on improving the efficiency of your heating and cooling system helpful.